asking you what's your favorite kind of tea flavor, because we're going to make tea part of our mocktail for tomorrow's AM Style. So we're asking you to help us put a recipe together. All right, you can continue to shop for the Heritage Plaid button front tunic. We're going to turn our attention to the boots that you see on Bridget. These are from the brand Mooz. They're a leather ankle boot and a really nice buckle style. The style is called Suzy. Cute boot, right? And it's nice because it's a nice low profile leather ankle boot, and we know boots aren't just for winter anymore. We're wearing boots year round. So getting a nice leather boot of this style and this silhouette, you know, is a good investment. This is a boot that has a regular QVC price of $192, most ladies, and then the heel height is just about 1 1/8 inches. So it's a low profile boot that works so well with whether it's jeans or trousers or dresses and skirts with tights. I love the little pull tab at the back so it's easy to slip on. I like that the leather is soft enough so nothing is like bumping into the front of my, foot that's uncomfortable. And that it's a really flattering silhouette. That's a good looking boot on the foot.
It looks really pretty, and I mean, we can see that you have that space, so it's not tight around where it meets it goes right above your ankle, and it starts to meet your shin a little bit. You've got nice room there, nice movement, which I like. To your point, the way it's sort of just, the little cuts and edges that our designers do so beautifully, it looks really pretty.